Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we'll show you how to connect and control a blind motor. We will use a 4-channel relay board, and in this case, we will utilize 2 channels. We'll connect it to the PIERRE. First, we connect the GND. Then we connect the inputs from the relay to the PIERRE's outputs. Now let's connect the phase. We'll connect it to both relays. Next, we connect the roller shutter motor. We start by wiring the neutral, then connect the 2 motor directions. We will connect one direction first, then the other. With the wiring done, we can power up the system. As you can see, the power supply and the PIERRE are both lit up. Let's open the Partner application. We open the controller and go to the Outputs tab. Click Add, then select the blind option, we call it blind. Set the roll to Academy and the dashboard to Academy as well. Now, we can adjust the duration of the up and down movement. Let's set the outputs. The first direction is connected to output 1, so we select that. The second direction is connected to output 2. We'll leave the time in 1 minute. Then, click Submit and Done. Next, we go to the user application. As you can see, the roller shutter has appeared. When we select Up, the roller motor begins to operate. At the first startup, you need to wait for the motor to stop by itself so that the calibration can complete. Once the motor reaches the top or bottom, we can control it further, adjusting the height if needed. And that's how easy it is to set up and control the roller shutter with PIERRE. Thank you for watching. See you in the next PIERRE Academy video.